सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुन्नी इत्तेहाद कौंसिल की मखसूस नशिस्तों से मुताल्लिक केस की समाअत जारी है। आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं।
कोई प्रोविजन डिक्लेयर्स अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर थ्योरी।
The difference between how your lordship is reading the constitution and how I am reading the constitution is that both of us agree that the words of the constitution are sacred. But sir, our interpretation is not sacred.
You need interpretation. I don't.
Can be subject to human fallibility.
पहले आगे बढ़ते हैं।
अगला पढ़े आप बताइए फैसल साहब।
Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, it seems to me that the resolution of, because that hypothetical counterfactual has been, although I personally think that in those 3 days it would be Eid day for the independents, but so we won't in fact have that problem even on the counterfactual. But it seems to me that this dichotomy or apparent dichotomy between Sunni Ittihad versus PTI for the purposes of paragraph D and for no other purpose.
Yes.
I think the essence is now, it seems to me, boiling down simply to this. Are we going to allow form to triumph over substance?
Yes.
That is the essence of the matter. And are we going to be so blinded by the harsh political reality, if you want to call it that, or the hard facts on the ground, that if the Election Commission on its own cascade of errors is channelizing, shoehorning people who are returned candidates of a political party into a quote-unquote independent status, subject to whatever council has to say on that, are we going to are we bound by that, or are we bound by what plainly is the intent of the paragraph? Look at the substance of it. What is the political party? If, as a matter of form, in the very unusual circumstances of this case, one hopes and prays that in no future election is a major political party unable to contest a general election on its own election symbol, but these are very highly unusual circumstances. Are we going to be hidebound and allow the form of the matter to triumph over the substance?
Yes.
And allow, as a result of that, for the balance to be tipped impermissibly in as Election Commission appears to have done? That is the heart of the matter, it seems to me.
I would again rephrase Justice Learned Hand and say this court should not become a fortress of a dictionary. That is not what
when you cite these foreign authorities
and our authorities and our authorities.
जरा सुन, पूरी बात सुन लिया करें ना।
आपकी नहीं मिली मुझे कोई,
हम नहीं करते ना, मैं आपकी बात सुनता हूँ, मैं इंटरप्ट नहीं करता हूँ।
आपकी मुझे कोई प्रोग्रेसिव इंटरप्रिटेशन।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुन्नी इत्तेहाद कौंसिल की मखसूस नशिस्तों से मुताल्लिक केस की समाअत जारी है।